Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today's video is a video on a serious topic, the coronavirus. We've all seen the news reports. People are continuing to be infected, and still getting the coronavirus, and they are asking people to social distance themselves and to practice safety measures to make sure that no one else gets the virus, and we can try to bring this to a halt as quickly as we can. And you guys know that I love thrifting, and I really don't want to give it up. I like it. It makes me happy. But I also want to stay safe. So today's video is on how to stay safe while thrifting. It's a thrift store survival kit per se during this coronavirus pandemic. So let me show you the kit that I have put together. And I am going to put this in my car and take it with me when I go thrift shopping. Now, there is a shortage of masks, so I don't have a mask in my thrift store survival kit, but if I did, I certainly would have it in here. But we're going to start off with gloves. This is a box of gloves. We've had these for a while. My boyfriend uses them for work. And I am going to start using these when I go thrifting. I'm going to wear them every time I go out. I'm going to put them on. Don't worry about looking silly to other people, because you really want to protect yourself and your family. So gloves are the first thing that I have in my thrifting survival kit. The next thing I have is Lysol spray. I told you guys, or maybe I didn't, that I am a couponer, and as such, I already had these products on hand. And as you can see, it says kills cold and flu viruses. And since this coronavirus is like the flu, I figure it would kill it too. So that's why we're going to take it. I also have Lysol wipes, so I can wipe down anything, any surfaces that get touched. I just feel comfortable having this in my car, and as you can see, it says kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. So this is a must, and I know you guys are not going to be able to get these products if you don't already have them, unless your store has replenished their supply, which I hope they do. I don't know why stores are not replenishing their supplies as quickly as possible, but maybe they are, and people are just coming in and just buying everything up and leaving nothing for anyone else. But if you are doing that, please consider the older generation. They may not have these products, and they're the most affected, and they need to be able to get these products. So please consider that when you go out. If you see a product, don't take it all. Please leave some for someone else, or if you have an elderly neighbor or elderly people in your neighborhood and you have these products on hand, if you're a couponer like myself and you have extra product, please go out and distribute those products to your elderly neighbors. I'm sure they would greatly love it. The other thing I also have is this foam, Clorox foam. It's bleach. It also says kills 99.9% of germs, so it is in my coupon survival kit. And I also have this brush. It's a scrubber, just to scrub down anything. So I would spray it, scrub it down. And I put this Barkeeper's Friend in here. It was already in here along with this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. But I figured I would leave them in here because you just never know. I might need them. So this is my thrift kit, my thrifting survival kit during the coronavirus. We don't want to take everything that we love away, guys, but we still want to be safe while we go out thrifting. So this is my kit. So I just wanted to give you a few tips. I know most of you are thrifters like myself, so just think about putting together a kit and keeping it in your car with you, so when you go out thrifting, you have the proper safety precautions to help keep yourself and your family healthy. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Everyone stay safe out there. Practice social distancing. Please listen to what they are saying. I know a lot of people don't believe it. They like the other day I went out and people were still going to restaurants. This was on Sunday. So now that they've closed the bars and restaurants, people can't really do that anymore. But please limit your social gathering. You know, as I said, no more than 10 people at a gathering. And if you can avoid it until this pandemic is over, I would certainly advise you do so. So guys, I hope everyone stays healthy, stay blessed. We'll get through this together. We've never seen anything like this before. It's something that is unprecedented here in the US, but we will get through it, and we just all have to practice safety measures and the proper precautions. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.